All right, Kelly, now we are in the basement of the Vanderin. Doesn't feel
Level.
like a basement, but like I said, we have 10-foot ceilings down here. We have a consistent, well, we use a lot of LVP in the basements of these houses just because it's what people desire to be down here. It's got a more of a cushion back to it, moisture barrier on it, and people seem to enjoy it down here in the basement. The huge bar, but one of the cool things about this bar is it's got a wine room right off to the side of it. I think that we figured it up. It holds about 6,000 bottles of wine, which I'm not really sure why. I mean, I really only need one bottle, but 6,000 bottles of wine. Got a really cool backsplash. Why don't you talk about how the detail came about when you guys were designing this?
So we sat down and custom designed this wine room. Obviously tons of storage for bottles. We wanted some display, not just racks all the way up. We also picked out this really cool backsplash that has a tile wood look as well as kind of a concrete look in the back of it to kind of blend with our backsplash in the bar area as well. We also incorporated a drawer so that you have a space for some of your wine bottle openers, little napkins, knickknacks you may need in this area. And we added a chandelier in the space as well. Nice lighting in here. We painted it dark to give it kind of that moody feel. Carried the LVT in and also have these glass doors that really accent the space from inside and outside as well.
So the view from the bar to this accent wall that we have this really cool trim detail on, unfortunately is going to get covered up by a screen that rises up out of the cabinet and is backlit for all the video that goes on it. But we've set this whole room up for sound leading up to this point. And so that's one of the things it's going to do. They put retractable screen on it to make sure that we could always see the wood trim detail when you're entertaining and not necessarily watching TV. So that's going to be a really cool feature. As we come back behind the bar, once again, we spend a lot of money on appliances, but we like to hide all of them. So we have two under cabinet refrigerators back here. One's a wine fridge, one's a beer fridge. And then we have an ice maker that is right behind the bar here. And then of course we have trash, dishwasher, microwave. It's a full setup here in the lower level.
So in the bar area, we also incorporated this lift-up KitchenAid mixer lift, not for the KitchenAid mixer, but for a blender for making margaritas. So a fun little item that we kind of hid down in the cabinet here for them. Another item is this little cup wash. It's very unique. We put it next to the sink, has water, you put your cup face down on it, washes out your cup that you're using. Drains right into the sink as well. We also have this really cool concrete looking backsplash tile in a 12 by 24 size. We have floating shelves to display all your bottles on. We have glass shelves to display some of your glass items so they don't get dusty, but you can still see them. And then a microwave down here for popcorn or fun drinks as well. As Jeff said before, we do have dual beverage fridges. One is for wine, one is for beverages. So you can use those accordingly. Nice big drawers for storage. And we did panel all of this so it is hidden back here as well.